The scenery on a model railway is not only about mountains and plains, town and villages, forests and lakes. It's also about the small mini landscape right next to the tracks. That is what I will focus on here. Here we see a section with 4 parallel tracks. The ballast dates back to when I first started building the layout, and it's far too coarse to look realistic. It looks like big stones. The backdrops create a convincing illusion of landscape and sky, but they are also in the way when working at the edge of the layout, as I'm doing now. So I have made the backdrops removable. They are mounted on thin plywood panels with slots at the bottom and held in place by screws with large heads. By removing the backdrop module and placing it on the floor, I can access the area much more easily. Now I can work on the horizontal surfaces, the ballast, grass and small vegetation, and also on the vertical surfaces where retaining walls will be built and also fences. I use ordinary indoor wood filler and a few simple plastic spatulas. I start by spreading the filler along the track, and after a while I find that using my finger works best, preferably slightly moistened. The surface doesn't need to be perfectly smooth. The ballast will take care of most of that later. And fast drying filler may not be necessary, but it's convenient. The paints I use are ordinary acrylics. For mixing, I use the inner tray from a box of chocolates with small compartments for small amounts of paint. It's not easy to get the exact right shade of light brown, but that is not crucial. The important thing is to cover the white filler so that it does not show through the ballast when that is spread. That is something I will show in the next video.